What's up, Camille? What's up, Cocky? Morning, man. Adrian, Toffee, what's up, brothers? Stefan, Nick, Adrian, Damon. Damon always here. Appreciate you coming back, brother. Ashraf, good morning, brother. How are you? I'm good, man. I'm good. Happy to be here. It feels like it's been so long since I went live, bro. Um, Feels good. These are the levels I'm focused on. Um, for the most part, I'm gonna be bullish this week. However, just remembering that it could be a very, very difficult week. Yeah, we could have aimed for NWAG. Right now we have this big 4 hour that we could aim for. Um, I will be mostly bullish this week. Open up the indicators here, see what's happening. We have London Hive Day. It does look like a London reversal, but could get a New York reversal here. I want you Turtle Soup. What's up, brother? How was your weekend? My weekend was actually really good, brother. Weekend was really good. Definitely cannot complain. What's up, Carve? Moneyman, what side is this? This is Trading View, brother. Bullish today for sure. I mean, I don't know about today, but for sure this week I'm expecting higher price. I'm expecting higher prices going into the beginning of January. That's what I'm expecting. But that bias has not been confirmed for me yet. I would want to see that get confirmed. Right. So that's just like a more macro perspective. As for intraday bias today, I don't have anything. I don't have anything yet. I haven't even looked too deep into intraday charts. But what I will do is announce that I'm live. Yeah, we'll just wait. Same feeling, man. I think I might go request it for our recipe, then go higher. Yeah, maybe. If we tap 4 hour FEG, we look for longs. Yeah, I mean, we'll probably tap the 4 hour FEG. ES already tapped it, actually, so. Yeah, we'll see. ES already did tap it. So we'll probably get a move lower still. How many evals have you failed going through a hard time? Oh, brother. Too many, bro. Too many, bro. It's gonna happen. Listen, remember one thing, guys. Remember one thing. Now, assuming now Martinez not ignoring nobody, bro, but sometimes I can't scroll up in the chat, right? So whatever comes through, I see. Took a lot for you. That's okay, bro. Bias and DOL. For now, we're gonna look for primarily longs, but we need more information. I don't have anything clear for today. I'll wait a little bit longer and I'll make a pre-market plan. You meant the busy, yeah. What's up, brother? What's up? Equal high do look good. You look for longs and got bumped. Well, it's too early to look for longs, brother. For the person who said that they're losing a lot, and it's gonna happen, bro. First of all, just remember, all these accounts are designed for you to lose. I personally believe that if the majority of us were trading with an account, let's say live account with $2,000, we wouldn't blow it in one session because it's real money. I'm not saying open up a live account with $2,000, but just remember that when they make it, you have a drawdown, you have to make a certain amount, you have to win a certain amount. Like those restrictions are ass. That's something when I look. That's in my opinion. Consumer confidence at 10, by the way, so it might not be the worst day. This could be the best day of the week, to be honest. We'll see. Are you one trade and done for the day type of trade? If I win my first trade, usually I am done. Yeah. I don't in the future I probably won't be. It also depends. So for example, let's say I'm bullish and I take a trade and it does this, and then I TP. I take my profits. If we come down and we haven't taken the full level yet, for example, like, okay, maybe I'll re-enter. It's like the same trade idea. It's just securing profits and re-entering. So I'll do that sometimes. Is there trading on Christmas? No trading on Christmas. Markets close 24th, 25th. Early close 24th, 25th, full close. What's up, Trevor? How are you, brother? Toffee says, do not touch the inbox. Yes. I don't think we're bearish on the daily, personally. There's a couple of reasons I posted in the Discord, Toffee, about why I'm bullish for the last week. I would favor longs. More things telling me that it's going to go up. But like I said, what's going to confirm for me higher prices, weekly fair value gap with the SMT. What's going to confirm for me is a bullish power of 3 on the weekly. If we can get a bullish PO3 on the weekly, we might be able to get some decent trades, even though it's going to be pretty choppy price action. Check gold for me? Sure, bro. I'll check gold. Why not? With this, I think I was waiting for this inversion or something. Probably gonna stay in a range, and I don't see us making a new. It's probably gonna stay in a range. I would prefer looking for shorts on gold. It looks like we're gonna go lower. I would prefer shorts. What is already made? How to improve psychology? You need to understand your strengths and weaknesses first, and then make a plan. Just like you would anything else. How do you improve riding a bike? Make a plan to improve. Execute. You gotta switch the contract. Go to NQ, down arrow. Search up NQ, down arrow, click NQH 2025. What's your bias today? I don't have a clear bias. I think we can touch this 4-hour fair value gap. Any info about VRA? No idea. No, you're not trading the money. You're just trading, right? Right now, I probably will trade if I see an A+ setup. Let's log into the account. I mean, the whole purpose of me getting this account was so I can trade in December and only trade one account. And I have a My Fund and Futures account that I haven't touched. I'm gonna have to pay the rebill on it. Unfortunately, I just never got the chance to trade it. If the coin gets listed on Binance, it have potential? Yes, can. Trading today? I'll be trading if I get A+ entry. What I told myself was, as long as one of my A+ models form, if one of my A+ models form, and I have a very clear drawn liquidity, then I'll take the trade. I need to have a very clear idea of where price is going to go. Right now, I think we can touch the 4-hour bullish fair value gap. It's possible we go higher from there. It's possible. We could also just go there, and that could be it. Let's see what happens at the 9:30 open. I mean, yeah, you could even short the manipulation leg from the 15. So we'll stay on the 1 minute here for a bit. See what happens. Just the 15. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll just wait for a bit. Bias. Right now, I think we can go lower to the 4-hour fair value gap. Why do you believe gold is going lower? Probably the daily bearish fair value gap. I don't think the monthly candle is going to flip. We're probably just gonna end up being somewhat in a range slash like closing around this price level. Originally I was bullish from the monthly fair value gap, but the setup just failed. I mean, we came down to the monthly, we had to move up and then just failed. I mean, it's possible we go higher. It is possible, but I would favor just it continuing to range in this these price levels, or go lower. You gonna be live next week? I'm gonna be live still every day, brother. I'll be live every day unless I'm sick. If the market's closed, you think I care? I'll backtest, bro. I'll backtest. I'm gonna be here. Be here. Type shit. What's up, cold blood bias and DOL this morning? I think we can go lower to the 4-hour fair value gap. For now, that's what I'm looking at. I mean, I don't really have a clear bias yet. Still waiting. Still waiting. No bias yet. Which day's the market closed? 25th. Christmas. I'm backtesting your strategy, but what does it actually entail? The 930 power of 3. Buy that mofo? No, I don't think. I wouldn't buy this. I definitely would not buy this. I took all last week off. I was on vacation. We went to the snow. Brother, you should have taken this week off as vacation too. What happens is, this is Trading View. I appreciate everyone coming through to the live stream, by the way. Yeah, appreciate everyone coming through. That's all I gotta say. Good morning, Will. What's up, brother? Hello, everyone. What's up? What's up? What's up? All right, let's see. It's is PO3 your favorite out of all strategies? I mean, my entire strategy is PO3. Is it the favorite, bro? Honestly, I think it's, yeah. I mean, definitely, yeah. That's what I trade. But I don't even know if you can compare it, bro. I feel like if your trade played out, it's because you just so happened to trade a PO3. You just didn't know it. What's the difference between NQ and NQH? NQ1 is a continuing contract. So it'll automatically adjust and continue with the contract changes. I am live on YouTube at the exact same time. Yep, I am live on YouTube and TikTok. I know I don't care about this 10 a.m. news, but if I just so happen to wait, then we'll wait, no problem. And then NQH expires in March. You know, that's the only difference. Did you run your brokerage on your browser? Did you install your brokerage? I just connected it to TradingView. You told previous Thursday you didn't trade morning session. I was sick on Thursday, brother. Are you in Dubai? I wish, bro. I wish. What app are you using to record yourself and the screen? I'm using OBS Studio because we didn't trade futures every 2 or 3 months. We had to switch because contract expire. Appreciate you, Cold Blood. Do you trade Forex? Yeah, I actually took a trade on Euro USD overnight. I just took my profits. It was a small trade, 1R. But I did short Euro. I even told people in the Discord I was going to short it. I'll probably look for another short on Euro if it presents itself. Alpha futures, never trusted it. Never, I don't know about that. Right now, it looks like I'm coming for this buy side. This might not be a long day, yeah. Might not be a long day. Looks like a clean buy model. I mean, might not be a move lower. It just plays higher from the 4-hour on, yes. My higher time frame bias, macro on the daily chart slash weekly chart, I'm bullish. Do I think all-time highs? Maybe not, but I think we can get higher levels for sure. For the last week. Is your mic bugging? I don't know. Is my mic bugging? Static. Fuck this mic, bro. I don't want to say anything. Is it better now or no? Better? Clutch? I don't know. Good? Sound better? I was just waiting enough time to see if it just went away. Yeah, no? I have to hear it. Yes. Someone said yes. Someone said no. Your mic is fine. Appreciate you. Sounds crunchy. Crunchy? I gotta fix this cable. You know, I gotta order a new cable. Hold on, let me pull up the YouTube. You looking for buys? Yeah. We heard. Shh. Let me hear this. Let me hear this. Let me hear this.
On Triton's online
I got an ad, bro. Fuck this.
your criminal background check in as quickly as 15 minutes. Also, access your
I have to go mute.
background check on our secure online platform. Be ready to land that next opportunity and obtain your criminal and social media background checks with Triton today.
All right, let me hear this. What do I sound?
Let me hear this.
What do I sound like?
What do I sound like?
What do I sound like? I mean, I haven't heard it yet.
I mean, I haven't heard it yet.
Man, what is this, bro? I want to hear it.
Man, what is this, bro? I want to hear it.
Yeah, I know. You hear the echo because I'm open. I opened up my live
You hear
stream.
the echo because I'm open. I opened up.
Alright, if it comes back, just let me know. Of course it's gone as soon as I wanna. Yeah, you guys are all trolling, huh? You guys made that shit up. Yeah, you know, you hear me 2 times because I opened up the live stream. Alright, if it comes back, just let me know, I guess. I'll check out. I want to know what it sounds like so then I can know what it is. If it's the cable, or something else. Anyways, we came up, we took the buy side. It just came back? Oh, true, I could just go back 3 minutes. Did it come back? Call it, don't troll, bro. Anyways, we took the buy side. Probably the cable. Let me see if I can. Maybe I want to see if price goes lower. We can aim for London highs, maybe. It's a lot of movement though. Yo, yo, yo. What does it sound like? Oh, I'm muted. I'm so stupid. Yo, yo, yo. Oh, I'm muted. I'm so stupid. Yo, yo, yo. Oh, I see. It like paused a bit.
Yo, yo, yo.
Oh, I see. It like
Okay,
paused
hold
a bit.
on.
Let me check the connection to my computer. I think the mic is good. I mean, it's a Blue Yeti. I don't think the mic's broken. I think it's just the cable. One sec. I mean, it's hard to plug this in. Does that sound better at all or no? Worst case, I'll put in my headset mic. It'll probably come back. I'll have to get a new wire. Entry 6 a.m. I wouldn't. Is it okay to enter 6 a.m.? If you trade pre-market, yeah. If you trade pre-market, I don't trade pre-market personally. Is it better if I do this or no? Anyone tell me? I've adjusted the cable slightly. Might go for the relative equal highs. I think we took out those relative equal highs. Could be waiting for news. I have to see a move down below New York Open. Bullish or bearish? I mean, I favorited longs, but we already took out the buy side. Just gonna wait here a bit. Just gonna wait here a bit and see. Feels good to be back in the streams. Feels good to be live, bro. To be honest, it's been a while. Appreciate you guys trying to help with my mic. I'll figure out the microphone thing for next stream for sure. You're an S&P here. What indicator shows New York Open? I use ICT kill zones and pivots. This one right here, ICT kill zones and pivots TO. Yeah, I think that the headline, I am favoring shorts. I don't know if we're gonna come back for this 4 hour. I mean, I don't know about favoriting shorts. Yeah, ES already tapped exactly. ES is maybe ready to go. News today. Yep, there's high time frame SMT as well. It's just 10 a.m. Orange folder, consumer confidence. We'll see. Are consumers confident? How do you know? You made your accounts trade at the same time together? You can just check. New weekly topic forming today. My weekly topic. The weekly topic, like a new high of day we're getting today. Yeah, maybe. We feel the volume about. Yeah, we feel the new week opening gap. Well, so far it's just consolidating, so there's not much information here. It may look like a lot's happening, but we pretty much are in the same range of what is that? 70 points. That's quite a big range. The candles are pretty large. You know about turtle soup? Turtle soup is buying below old high, above old highs, selling below old lows. It's just an entry model. I'll probably be waiting for a macro. I need an 8+ setup if I'm gonna trade. Like, I'm being honest. I don't think I need a new microphone. I think I just need a new cable. Because I know this cable is bent the hell up. And this microphone is pretty expensive. If I have to buy a new one, that would suck. I'm not really trying to buy a new one. This one's pretty expensive. Yeah, it's wait. I'm definitely waiting this out. If there's no A+ setup, I'm not gonna force it. I won't take anything that's a B. It's got to be A+ for me, especially this entire week. It's got to be A+. It needs to be a clean PO3 with a clean drawn liquidity and a clean entry model. Simple as that. Right now, London High is a pretty decent drawn liquidity. But we haven't had a weekly manipulation lower. So put the hertz of your mic higher. You mean like the gain? What do you mean the hertz?
I mean, I'll try it, bro. You have to give me. I don't know how to do that shit, bro. Oh, it's not a Bluetooth device, so it's not a Bluetooth device. Forget about me. I think it's on 48. It's on 48,000 hertz. Is that the one you're looking for? Also, what level did we hit my USD 4-hour fair value gap? Why did I have an alert on GBP? I remember doing that. What are you trading? Nasdaq. This distortion. Yeah, this is bad. I mean, yo, listen. Very typical, expected, right? Stop looking for the order block or the breaker block. Stop looking for all that stuff. Just wait. Just wait for the macro. Wait for 10 a.m. maybe. Wait for next week maybe. Wait for tomorrow. I don't know. This could stay like this, right? It's the last week. It's not exposed. Let me make that announcement real quick. I'm taking C plus setups and maybe like B plus. Today it's telling me to take only C plus. Short setup forming. I don't see this as a short. OB is the green candle after the FEG if you look for shorts. This would be the order block for me. I mean, it's the one that swept buy side liquidity. But I mean, like, I would never view an order block, right? The way ICT views order blocks in this specific way is like he'll use it as the last candle. So like this one right here. Yeah, like, sometimes ICT will label it like this. This is your order block right next to the fair value gap because it's the last candle that left equilibrium. But no, I mean it is. I've heard ICT call this an order block before. I've also heard him call it not an order block. So I personally think the one with the liquidity sweep is the valid one. But let's see. Your 1 minute setup is there. Looks like we're going lower. Hopefully, not hopefully, but I wouldn't mind looking for a long from this. We'll see. We're getting some movement now. I put a line on the 4-hour bullish fair value gap high. Buy side, sell side. So far the double purge has formed. I like that. I just need to be convinced that it's going to go higher from a certain level. We do have a small 15-minute fair value gap. I'll still be trading live for free. The mentorship's already been open for a month, so let's see if we can move higher. We'd have to start moving higher now. Yeah, we do have relative equal lows. I like the 10-minute fair value gap. 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah, all my books are free. I'll still be live streaming. All the books are free. All the YouTube videos are free. The mentorship is simply for those people who just want some more guidance. They want to be a part of a group. They want some more specific lectures on stuff. They want to backtest together, journal together, hold each other accountable for different things. That's for those people, you know. Some one-on-one sessions. Let's see if this 10-minute fair value gap holds. I hope I'll be quitting my job. What's the cost? I mean, I don't like to talk about the mentorship live. I don't want to try to convince people, but my mentorship's $50 for 1 month per month. Gem's been the only thing hanging me on to life. You know what Toxic will get to, brother. Toxic's one of my students, for those of you who don't know. My mentorship's $50 a month. Are you looking for any positions? Yeah, I would prefer taking a long here, but it has to form. How to join? Join the free Discord. Fill out this form. Unfortunately, I can't accept everyone, but if I like your answers, if I think I can actually help you, right? I've told people straight up, like some people signed the form and I was like, listen, I don't think your next step in your journey is me. I think you need to do this instead or do this instead. And they're like, you know what? I appreciate your honesty. I'll come back next month or in 2 months, right? That's okay. So just fill out that form. I'll see if I think I can help you. Just join the Discord if that's what you're interested in. I don't like promoting my my mentorship, to be honest. I'd rather just, if people come to me, they ask if I run one because they already know what they're gonna get. They're looking for that. Then those are the kind of people I want to work with. So. The mic is still staticking, huh? It tanked? I don't want to say it's tanked. If I can. If the mic gets bad, just let me know, and I'll switch over to my headset mic, which won't be as clear. But it is the TGIF settings. It won't be as clear, but at least if my headset won't static. Yeah, Jerome Powell gave us some movement, eh? Jerome Powell gave us some movement. These are the settings: 0.2, 0.3, 1, and 0. Okay, 0.2, 0.3, 1, and 0. How do you make a living right now? Like having a roof over your head and still trade? Do you have a job after this? I do have a job on the side. Yeah, I work part-time. I have some good savings as well. I've made some money from stocks as well. All right, see if we take the sell side. We're almost at that 4-hour fair value gap. ES back inside the 4-hour fair value gap. How much I make a month? Depends if I get a payout. I don't have a live account, so it's kind of hard to say. Daily power of 3. I would love to see a daily power of 3. We haven't really went below any key level though. The daily power of 3 says, if anything, it says London high of day, you know. If anything, it says London high of day. What do you mean power of 3? Power of 3, basically just meaning how the candle forms. It opens, makes the high into a key level, and then distributes. Any move higher is a retracement in a power of 3. You should to know which direction the power of 3 is forming, when it's likely to move. Power of 3 is water, fire, and wind. I've got an extra Blue Yeti if you need it. I don't use it, pretty much new. I appreciate you, bro. I think the Blue Yeti's fine. I do think it's the cable. I'll have to swap out the cable later on. How much would you want on a live account with 15K good? I'd probably start with 20K personally. Then I can risk a 1%, which is 200 per trade. I wouldn't do less. Long today? Yeah, I don't mind looking for a long. That's kind of what I'm primarily looking for right now, but it hasn't formed. Right? Nothing has told me that this is going to go higher yet. So We'll see. If anything, presenting as short right now, right? If anything, it's telling me it's gonna go lower. I told you 3 times the short setup was perfectly forming. Brother, if it perfectly formed for you, then I hope you took it. But this is not perfectly formed for me. You know? This is not a perfect short for me. Neither is this. Neither is this order block. Nothing here is good for me to short. What kind of models do you look for? PO3. I have a playbook of the different ways PO3 can form. That's pretty much what I look for every single time. MMBM, possible MMBM here. Yeah, it's kind of what I'm looking for. 10 a.m. silver bullet / MMBM. Okay, 4-minute fair value gap. Let's see. What is this, man? Show me the 4-minute. Bro, show me the 4-minute. Bro, what? Oh, just click 4. What 4-minute fair value gap? Sure, bias. Don't really have a bias, but I'm looking for longs. I don't want to short this, is what I'm trying to say. Is what I'm trying to say. Oh, it's only there on the 4. Yeah, interesting. 7? That's funny. Made 40K on that drop. Nice, bro. Wow. It's really good. What's the hotkey to change time frame? You just click the number. 3, 4, 2, 15, daily, 15-minute, weekly. Just type it in, click enter. Show proof or it's not real. Gee. I think the high could justify the short for the moment. You're probably better to wait for longs. I mean, yeah, you can justify the SIBI, right? We took the buy side, we put an SMT, macros approaching. But I don't know. This week, I'm primarily going to be looking for longs. How would I work with that, Colin? I'd probably look to make a certain amount, take a certain amount out, and then adjust my account. Because I want to grow the account's capital as well, right? So make a certain amount. I have to figure out the numbers. Make a certain amount, pay myself, reinvest a certain amount, and keep going. You'd have to find a system that works best for you. There's not going to be like one answer. You know, maybe you don't pay. Maybe you don't need the money to pay yourself out. Maybe you just keep growing that account, and then with prop firms you pay yourself out. Maybe that's your system, right? Just depends. The CFD would be here. That's what I'm looking at right now. Because this candle did not sweep liquidity. But this candle did. This candle's let's I can see it come above. It should also be the breaker. I mean, on the lower time frame, there's no swing high here, but on the 32nd there'll be a breaker there. We still haven't reached last Wednesday's. I wouldn't look at last Wednesday. I think that's pretty. I wouldn't say random level, but I don't know if that's referred to algorithmically. I would just look at previous week's range, maybe previous month's range. Last Wednesday. Last Wednesday. Oh, this. No, we have not reached that level. No. This would be your breaker. If we get a, it's not clean. It's really not clean. I like it, but I also don't like it. I don't like it, to be honest. Unless we get a bullish fair value gap, I wouldn't take this long, even if it's formed. It's not A+. It's not A+. You know? You're in longs right now. Good luck, Toxic. I hope it forms the order block for you. I hope it plays out, man. Could you explain the breaker block? Yep, it's simply this. It's liquidity sweep, market structure shift. Maybe we get a bullish fair value gap here. Just maybe. Would I take a trade something like this? I like the fair value gap. Have to break even at those highs. The entry model's there. Might wait for the 3-minute. The entry model is there. London, we get a decent setup. Yeah, we wait for the. I don't mind. I wouldn't put an order on the 3 though. I'd probably wait for an inversion. Let's see if it forms, right? I'm not gonna put a limit order there just yet. I'll wait and see. So right now I'm looking for this. And if we get an inversion, I'll trade the inversion. Or if I can see it visually on the lower time frame. I'm on break even right now, the bottom of the fair value gap. That's a good break even, brother. In my opinion. The thing is, I'd have to aim for London highs for this trade to be valid. What's your entry model? Right now I'm looking for a retracement and an inversion. Because I don't want to put any limit orders in. I don't trust any limit orders right now. Because if I put in a limit order for the 1-minute fair value gap, it's going to form as a really strong wick that's projecting off of this. I don't want that. So I will wait. And if I miss it, I miss it. That's okay. Nothing. Yeah, ES tapped in, but like I said, I want to see an inversion. I want to see an inversion for me to get the best entry, you know? And it might not form. And we might miss the move. That's okay. I'm not going to cry about it. It's also 10 a.m. news here, so 10 a.m. power of 3. I like this. Okay. I think we just touched the 3-minute fair value gap. Yes. That might be as low as it goes. We might not get the inversion. I prefer it just to, yeah, this might be hard to, I don't want to get FOMO. I don't want to get FOMO. Make sure I'm signed into the account here. Maybe on the eval, we should have put the limit there. How long you been trading? It's been over a year for me. Just over a year. All right, so I want to see if we put a bearish fair value gap here. Can we get an inversion? That's what I'm looking for right now. To use premium discount. Yeah, visually, I don't really mark it out anymore, but it's definitely effective. So just watching ES here, maybe bearish fair value gap, we can inverse. Yeah, the reason I say I won't take shorts is just because I know it's not gonna give me an A+ short setup, you know? It's not gonna give me one. If it does give me one and I can be convinced of lower prices, sure. I just don't think it's gonna give me one, you know? I can tell. So it's also about drawn liquidity, right? Even if it gave me a short setup, it's not really clear to me where it's gonna go. Yeah, we had the 4-hour bullish fair value gap. That's about as low as I can expect it to go. Anything more is not really. Are you in? No. You'll see if I'm in. I'm waiting for an inversion to confirm. Like I said, it needs to be A++ for me. Otherwise, you know, I know if I was on a live account, I wouldn't be even trading. So I'm watching ES here on the right. We did put in a bearish fair value gap. I'm looking to see if we can inverse it. Has my mic been good for a while here, or has it been staticky still? It's good. Yeah, maybe here and there. Okay. 50-50. I unplug it now. Sounds choppy. How's it right now? What a great entry. I didn't enter the trade, guys. I didn't enter the trade. You guys can see. No, we didn't take any trades yet. I'll show you guys. I don't have anything to hide. You missed a long entry prior to open, targeting 8:30 news open. We didn't have any 8:30 news. What do you mean? I don't know. You said what a great entry. I didn't take the trade. I said I was waiting for something to form. It didn't form, so you think 513 is a strong draw? Is that the? Yeah, that's like I said. If it's gonna go lower, it's gonna go to there, and that's originally where I wanted to long from. Oh, there was durable goods at 8:30. I mean, yeah, the orange folder. Okay, yeah, I guess you can argue. I just meant there was no real. I won't say real, but okay. Here, if we get the inversion, we can go long. It would be 959 candle low. So if we get a close above here, man, it'll pretty much look something like this. That's a 1.8 R. Could just go for the 2 R and call it. So watching for inversion here on ES very closely. So far, no inversion, right? So obviously no trade. No trade, yeah. Was one tick away from my SL. Long. If it forms an inversion, I will long, yeah. That's what I'm looking for. Market is manipulating us. Who's us, bro? I didn't take no trade. It's a difficult market, though. I'll tell you that much. Imagine you were short from here, right? Would you feel comfortable right now? Maybe right now, as this candle is distributing lower. If you were long, you definitely would not be comfortable right now. What is an inversion? Can you provide more? Yeah, I'm looking for a fair value gap to fail. So the reason I'm looking for that is because I want to be convinced that it's going to go higher, right? That's pretty much it. So why do I need an inversion? Why didn't I just put a limit order on this 3-minute fair value gap? Because I'll tell you why I didn't trust this 3-minute fair value gap. Because for us to come down here and touch the 3-minute fair value gap, it's going to look like a really large wick. Like it's going to look like this, exactly how it formed. We took out the buy side and wicked and came lower, respected this fair. That's not what I want to see, right? I would rather see it just run through this fair value gap, take out the highs, make higher high. That's what I want to see. So the reason I don't trust this 3-minute fair value gap is because the way we'd be trading back into it would be confirming more short bias than long bias. So what would confirm for me that it's not a short bias is if we came down and had an inversion. And I'd be like, okay, you know what? This is a retracement into the 3-minute, and then we can continue higher. But we never got that inversion. We didn't even get an order block. We didn't get nothing. So to me, I just canceled out the idea. Good luck in the next 3 years of your journey. If you traded the news retrace, you would probably be out of the market. I don't trade pre-market. There's no entries here for me. You know, I don't feel like I missed anything. Who took short on ES with me? Yeah, you could have shorted the buy side take there. Yeah, I mean, the only entry models that formed here is the short. And it wasn't a bad entry model, just not an A+ for me, but you got the fill off the displacement. I don't enter off displacement. I get it now. Indicator and settings, please. The indicator is ICT kill zone and pivots TFO. For the settings, Asia, London, New York. Scroll down, and I mark out every single one of these opening prices. This is recorded, so you can just pull up the recording after too. All right, we've officially taken out minor sell side. Did you get stopped out long? Nope, I didn't take any trades. 0 P&L. I didn't take it on any account. The model did not form for me. The model did not form for me. If anything, this would have been a short, but you have to be bearish. You have to know where it's going. Marked out this 4-hour fair value gap high. Right, there's a green line. It could still go there. Can you tell me what CRT does? Nope, I don't trade CRT. I don't like CRT. You fumbled the long, lost 85. Yeah, the old me would have FOMO too. That's why I literally said I don't want to FOMO this. I could tell that it was potentially forming as a FOMO for me. You're right. No confirmations of long whatsoever right now. Nothing. No higher time frame level to trade it off of. I mean, you have the new week opening gap here. But I would prefer the 4-hour fair value gap. ES 4-hour bearish. Yeah. ES is forming 2 4-hour bearishes. In the future, the closing account you would find yourself because that's confirmation for longs. It's not every time I look for the inversion, but in this instance, I am looking for the inversion. The only times I don't wait is if, let's say, we get the CISD, so we come like, boom, and we get the breaker CISD, and as soon as we come up here, we touch the fair value. Sorry, we touch the fair value gap and then go. I'll take that limit order. But if we're gonna do something like this and we go higher and higher and we take out the minor buy side, we respect the bears, then I'm not gonna leave a limit order right here. Like it could easily just run through. It's too likely that you're wrong. I would not risk capital on that order. What's up, Kyle? If there's a bullish FEG now, no, now I'd have to see it touch the 4-hour bullish fair value. That's the thing about where it's gonna go, right? This green line, the 4-hour bullish fair value gap, that's where I think it's gonna go. So I wait for it. Why are you bullish today? It's not that I'm bullish today, I'm bullish on the week. So primarily I'm looking for longs from the 4-hour. That was my original game plan. Then we started to rally from the SMT that we put in. So I thought maybe we could get a continuation. Obviously that idea did not form, and now ended up coming lower. So yeah, you could have shorted and just targeted the 4-hour fair value gap. That was probably this might have just been your best setup for the whole day. I don't know if we're gonna reverse from this 4-hour fair value gap, but if it does, I'll be here. If it forms, right, I'm not gonna kill the model. It would still be a valid 930 PO3, right? Accumulation, we dump. This could be a market maker buy model here, 10 a.m. power of 3, but we would need a really large move higher for me to convince. Like it would need to be a strong displacement like this. We target those relative equal highs and midnight open. Yeah, the longs did not. Yeah, no longs formed. Definitely, this is not a long for me. But now that we touched the 4-hour fair value gap, maybe. I would need to see price come here above this level. I'm not gonna chase it, right? If it comes here, I'll look. My buy is probably wrong. I was bullish. I'm bullish on the week. I think this week goes higher. But like I said, a bullish PO3 weekly would confirm. So the levels I'm looking at is the weekly fair value gap, as well as the daily fair value gap. So let's mark this up here. If we can touch this, maybe use it as support. It's about as low as I want to see it go. Yeah, just wait. Fell from the high, tastes good. Nice, brother. I saw that protraction model, but I had no inversion or valid breaker to take. Yep. Protraction, I mean, yeah, it's not an A+. It's not an A+, but yep, if there was an inversion here, you could have taken that. Can you show us why you're bullish on the week? I will show you where you can find why I'm bullish on the week. Yes. But like I said, what's going to confirm I'm not here trying to predict the entire weekly candle, right? That would be fucking overpowered. I'm waiting for confirmation. The confirmation is a bullish PO3 weekly. If we can get a bullish PO3 weekly, that would confirm for me higher prices for the week. So it's just a bias for the week. It's softer. We touched the analog. Yeah. banked off shorts. Good job, brother. I'm glad that worked out for you. Why are a lot of people teaching trades? What do you mean? What is this trade that you found that looks like the holy grail? Power of 3 for sure. Power of 3. That was my holy grail. I will never leave power of 3. I'm taking real trades now, 2 accounts. Are you sure, bro? I feel like you're just chasing price, Toxic. I don't know, brother. I don't know. That's a good Koala. I'm happy to hear that, Koala. Toxic, you were long a couple seconds ago. All of a sudden you're short. I mean, it's not a bad short, but you have to wait for a setup to form. Nope, we didn't take any trades. I'm gonna be very picky, guys. I'm gonna be very picky this last week. Why is this candle the CISD? If we come above here, it's a CISD. If we come above, then why? Because it's the last series of candles that swept liquidity. You took a short because I invalidated your long. What are you trading? This is NASDAQ. Trading NASDAQ futures. That short was pretty good. Yeah, the short here wasn't bad. You know, the inversion here wasn't bad. So, yeah, my mic wire cable is messed up. You know what? Oh, was it just the mute button? Okay. Yeah, that was automatic. I didn't know it did that. Do I sound staticky now or no? I wasn't talking to myself, bro. I was trying to fix it. Is this still staticky? Does anyone know? Let me know if it comes back. Let me know if it comes back. Yeah. Yeah, I think the whole cable is just done. Yeah, I'm looking for longs if we can get this. Yeah, I can lower the volume as well. Yeah, that's good. I'm trading my funded as well, so I'm gonna be picky. See here, if we get the CISD. Which pair? This is NASDAQ. Previous day equilibrium first. Wait, why am I in replay mode? What do you mean previous day equilibrium? No, I don't really care about that right now. I'm more focused on longs from the 4-hour fair value gap. See if it forms. So far, nothing, right? It's just a retracement. We touched the 5-minute bearish fair value gap. If anything, you could short this. Not long. So definitely no longs for me right now. Definitely long. Like this inversion doesn't count because we're still bearish. Do you celebrate Christmas? Bro, I'm living alone right now, so I mean, what am I gonna do, bro? I'm probably gonna be backtesting on Christmas, bro. I don't know what I'm gonna do on Christmas Day, bro. Backtest, maybe go to my girl's house after. Yep, you saw the 5-minute as well. Yeah, it's just a retracement, right? That's why I wait for the CISD or the breaker. Get yourself a present. Same. Yeah, I feel you, bro. Would you look for a 5-minute inversion? I want to see the 1-minute CISD, and then from there I would scan for an entry model. But we didn't get the CISD, so not even on ES. If anything, I would look for a short here. I'm not going to. I'm not going to. But if I had to look for a trade here, it would be short. What is CISD? It's a change in the state of delivery. So basically, this move down right here, right, is all sell side delivery, and the fact that we swept liquidity into a key level, if we can come back above here, right, that would argue the change in the state from sell side to buy side. Yeah, buy. It's the same as the order block. Yep. The order block would be all of these candles plus the high. So your order block would be right here. So it's a small difference. This is your order block, right? You use the high of the order block. But the change in the state will start from right the opening price. As long as it goes above the opening price. Is that a Levs? Bro, you gifted it to a Levs, bro? Bro, take that gift back, bro. It's fucking L gift, bro. Bro. Is that a Les or is that another? Wait, that might not be a Les, bro. No, that might be another guy. That might be another guy, bro. That might be another guy who's active in stream. I think I had two Alejandros. What's up, Alos? I always mark my order blocks where CSD is. Yep, you gotta include the high of the candle, right? You gotta include the high of the candle for the order block. This is just a CISD. The 5-minute inversion. Yep, looks like yes, will, yeah. If we get a bullish fair value gap right now, I would long. Yeah, I would really like the way it formed. Appreciate you, Koala. Is CSD and MMS the same thing? No, they're different. What I see myself is most important about mine 2022. I would focus on 2022 and then I'd move over to 2024. And then from there, just start backtesting, start trading. Even after 2022, just start trading. Oh my god, bro. Guys, I don't need the gifts, guys. You know what gift I want, bro? I want to see you guys' journal, bro. I appreciate the gift, though. I do appreciate the gifts, but I want to see you guys succeed, bro. Core content. Honestly, if you trade Forex, core content's pretty good. You're gonna get most of your value at the end of the day from backtesting and trading. That's where you're gonna learn the most, right? I want to see a fair value gap. Yeah, to raise your hand, love you, bro. I need to see a fair value gap leaving this range. Whole bunch of thumbs up. Appreciate you, man. 10 minutes behind solution. I have no idea what that means, bro. I almost... Yes, you will be charged. No, not the full price of 167. You'll only be charged what you pay the monthly, which is like, I don't know, with like 50 after the code. Dennis, it's not $167. If you can get a code, it'll be like 50 or something. Koala, stop. Don't give me money, bro. I don't want your money. I'm literally here to. I'm only here to live. No, we didn't take any trades, Ellie. No trades yet. No trades yet. Maybe along here if we can push higher. Can you explain about 2 birds, 1 stone? 2 birds, 1 stone is like. How do you explain? Eli, oh, my fault, brother. Yeah, I trade Forex as well on the side. It's like a saying. 2 birds, 1 stone is a saying. Like, what platform do you prefer to trade with? For futures, Top Step is my number 1. My fund of futures number 2. And number 3 is Apex. For Forex, I only use 1 prop firm. I use Funded by Traders for Forex. Do I have a membership guide glowing username or not? No, Taddy. Bro, stop giving me money, bro. Stop giving me money, bro. Don't. Toxic. Just fucking leave it, bro. Toppy says, but now we touched the and walk and went down again. Should we not just close above? We should close above, right? But just give it some time. It also doesn't need to close above today, right? It could be Monday low of week, could be Tuesday low of week. It also could just be wrong. No, I'm not joking, buddy. I actually don't want their money, bro. The only reason I set that up is because if I don't, bro, nah, bro. What are you guys doing, bro? You guys are arguing about who gives more money, bro? Bro, just leave it, bro. Who cares? Nah, bro. I'm gonna literally focus on the chat, bro. I feel so bad, bro. Koala, stop it, bro. Just buy yourself a freaking funded account. No, we didn't take any trade yet. Might take one here, though. Yes, Toxic. Just leave it, bro. Give money to me so I can waste it on my funded. Top tick that consolidation. I would probably trust a bullish fair value gap here if I'm being honest. Yeah. If we get a bullish fair value gap, I will go long as it presents my entry model. And I don't want to hesitate if an A plus model form. Is this really A plus though? We didn't get the CISD. We didn't get the CISD. No, stop, bro. Just stop. I made 4.6K to the 4-hour bounce. Nice, bro. That's not a bad trade. Like I said, there's a decent chance here that the only good trade for today was a short to the 4-hour. I would have preferred looking for a long from there, but we tapped in there at 10:11. It's kind of late. Do I trade the first presentation fair value gap? That's this one right here at 9:43. Yep, ended up playing out pretty well, so you could have trusted it, I guess. It played out. It touched the 4-hour. You had to be bearish to the 4-hour, which, yeah, we expected the 4-hour too. I'll still trust the bullish fair value gap if we come above here. What's the difference? Market structure shift is when we break above an old high or low. Looking at the actual market structure, highs and lows. A CISD is a change in the state of delivery, which is subject to the time frame. So we have 1 minute sell side delivery here. And this is buy side delivery, but this is just a retracement. You can't say it's a reversal yet because we haven't undone the sell side delivery. So this is sell side delivery. This is just retracement. Look at the bodies, it'll tell the story. So we haven't gotten above it. So I'm not saying this is sell side delivery here because on the lower time frame, you'll see different things. But on the 1 minute here, it's still sell side. How do you know? For example, the 5 minute. You just go to the 5 minute, you'll see it. It's still bearish. There has not been any change in the state. Bro, fuck this mic, bro. Let me try something. Let me know if the mic starts to lag again. Let me know if it starts to. Why are you giving another 99 cents, bro? Is the mic bad? What's up, Robbie? Gatie took my last dollar. Oh, I didn't take nothing, bro. Let me know if the mic goes bad again. Let me know if it gets bad. I changed the cord that I plugged into. I'll change the section. What will you do next Christmas? Probably backtest, to be honest. What the fuck you want? What? Is the mic bad again? Yeah, maybe 10:30, Toffee. That would be better. That's what I'm looking for as well. Yeah, I've just been twisting the connection. I think my wire is like messed up. Let me see this. I'm on the 1 minute chart. I'm on the 1 minute chart. Is this gonna fit? Wire didn't even fit. No, I didn't take any trades yet. I didn't take any trades yet. Yeah, the market's closed on the 25th. Bro, this wire is in shambles, bro. It's like all crooked and shit. Should I just put on the headset mic? What's your win rate? Usually I average around 60. My goal is like 50, 60. Oh, where's my controller? Tripping? How's the mic now? You should get a win rate 95. What? I mean 95 would be great, but I don't need it to be that high. I'm happy with the 60. I'm happy with the 60. I'm on funded. Yeah, I'm on a funded right now. Looking at Euro. Still bearish. Still bearish. What is this? Yeah, the S&P is only valid exactly. Prop firms, yes, prop firms. How's the mic right now? I have a good mic, bro. Listen, I have a full like Blue Yeti. I think this mic's pretty good, bro. I think it's just this cable that's connected to it. That was probably really staticky. The fact that I moved it all. Yeah, I'm gonna have to Amazon a new cable or look for one. I have a bunch of extra cables. I have earbuds, $8 from Timo, bro. Trust. GU View. Probably also bearish. Also bearish. Like I think your highest probability trades will be shorts. Chop City. Yeah, you had one short opportunity to the 4 hour. Hard to trust these equal highs, but what is this? I am tailing. You caught that protraction model. I'm Taylor. You took the short. Yeah, this is a protraction short actually. Yeah, 930 purge, dump, protraction in the macro, inversion short. Target the 4-hour bullish fair value gap. The key here is you have to target the 4-hour bullish, and that's it, right? Ideally, I was looking for longs from here. It didn't really form though. If it's respecting the 4-hour FG, why not long? It could easily come lower, and it hasn't given an entry model. I'm waiting for an entry model. 1030 PO3 with a breaker, maybe. Would I trust that fair value gap? There's no breaker. We'd have to come above here. There needs to be a CISD or a breaker. Otherwise, I don't trust any long. So we're waiting for a CISD or breaker from 1030 opening price. That's what I'm waiting for. And then we can go long if that happens. How do I get real data? You have to pay for real data. Like $3 a month or something. What's the difference? Yeah, if you get a prop firm account, it's more like $8. Oops, sorry. If you get a prop firm account, then yeah, you get real data included, usually. Most of them will give it to you. HouseApp will give it to you. I want to see this. If we get this, that'll be my best. That'll be A+. Come on, take the sell side. At least take this low. What is NWOG? NWOG stands for New Week Opening Gap. Appreciate you, not Toby. Wait, where's Toby? That's not Toby. Blue Yeti Static Fix. Yo, maybe I should try this, guys. Right click the percent. We screenshot this. I think this will fix the mic. We didn't take the low, but we did respect the fair value gap. Do it now. Nah, no trades for me. No trades for me yet. I don't mind. I'm still waiting. Still waiting for potential long. I'd want to see a breaker here form for 1030. Bro, Reddit? Yeah, Reddit's the fucking GOAT, bro. How do you determine your A+ setup? I don't determine it. I know what it is. I think your mic's fine. Why are you making a big deal? A lot of people are saying there's a lot of static. And I think it's annoying them, so I'm gonna try and fix it. Do you think it's gonna be that low? Look. No static. I mean, right now it's good. I think maybe you guys just joined. It was pretty bad earlier, I think. It's good, bro. Let me know if it comes up. I think lowering the volume was also. I think lowering the volume was helping as well. It's just my rules. You know, I know my A+ models. There's 7 of them. If they conform, right now I'm looking for a 1030 PO3 breaker. Your mic's been decent for an hour now. Appreciate you, bro. Long now. I need to see a breaker or a CISD. Just waiting to see if that forms. So that means we have to take out one of these lows and then push higher. That's what I need to see. Also keep in mind the 1050 macro is approaching. It might be better just to wait for that time period. Do you share the PDFs? Yep, all the PDFs are free in my Discord. All the books are free in my Discord. Have you heard about Powell Trades? I've seen his TikToks, but I don't really know much about him. It's still choppy, yeah. You think Powell insider trades? I don't think he needs to, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't think so, bro. I don't know. What's up, a question? We did get the lower low on it, so we have a breaker here. So that's SMT. I could trust this bullish fair value gap if it forms. It's forming a little too aggressively right now. Wow. Did not even give a second look. I think we can come all the way there. SMT, it's a cracking correlation. I would take a fair value gap here. I would. I think I would take a fair value gap here. Oh, come on. Don't just close up. That's lame. Give me a fair value gap. I think I would take this. The model's there. We don't have to aim too high. The breaker's there. The CISD is there. My entry's at the 1 minute fair value gap low. I'll take this trade. This is funded. I'll take it on the eval too, probably. It's an A plus model, so the 1030 breaker, right? ES tapped into the fair value gap. It's a good trade. Yeah, is it an A plus though? I mean, 1030 breaker is one of my A plus models. Seek and destroy condition. Take out the buy side 2R. Right. Yeah, I mean, not breaking any rules, that's for sure. We have the 3 minute order block. Yeah, just trust it, I guess. Just gotta trust it. Where's the breaker? The breaker's on ES. It's right here. The CISD is there as well. 3 minute order block right there. Took out the sell side, came up. We touched it right here, and so far haven't came back. ES did give an entry, so yeah, the 2 minute fair value gap just touched. So I did enter on my combine. I'll enter on my combine there. I'll wait for the fill here. Make sure I get a good fill. Should have waited for the FEG. Would have waited for the FEG. What FEG? Did y'all take this long? It was so clear. I'm waiting for a fill. Same trade. We'll see. Okay, we got filled. And I guess we'll just keep the P&L open. How do you turn that audio, that guy who says like order filled? I don't want to hear that shit. This is NASDAQ. It'll hit your stop loss? Maybe. We'll see. I would still take the trade again. I don't have any regrets, so we'll see. I would take this trade again. Oh, you guys like the sound effects? You're seeing the OTE soup? Yeah, it's possible, right? We did take out the high here. We did take out the high. So it's possible we're wrong. Spending a lot of time in this fair value gap, obviously that's not good. But I have to give it a little bit of room for this volume imbalance and this smaller fair value gap here. NinjaTrader does that order fill sound. Yeah, TraderBait does it too. Could just wait for 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Yeah, I don't think I'll change anything here. The stop loss is good. Whatever closes, gotta give it some time. You gotta give it some time. It hasn't been invalidated just yet. I mean, that's a really deep move lower. Obviously not one that you'd want to see. But it just hasn't been invalidated just quite yet. You know? Just not quite yet. But it doesn't look good. But I won't close the trade here. Like, nothing's told me for certain that it's going to come here and stop me out. Obviously I don't like that we wicked. We were all the way up here on the 30 minutes. We've come down 42 points. Immediate rebalance on the 1 minute. It's not the best. But I mean the stop loss is there. I should have stayed in the short. I was about to get stopped out, but I didn't. Yep, looks like that short might play out here. Maybe we should have waited for the macro. We'll see what happens. I would demand it immediately go higher here, though. Obviously, my stop loss is right there, so any lower. But we've already come into this imbalance completely. We touched the low. We swept this little low here. Shouldn't go any lower if we're right. If we're wrong, obviously, then it should have no problem hitting our stop loss within the next minute. Yeah, I don't really see much else. Whole profits wiped. You entered longs too. Whole profits from today, you mean? Yeah, we're all the way. 1030 is now bearish. We wicked the entire 1030 candle. The entire 1030 candle just flipped. Any trades? I'm in one trade right now, but I mean, it's not invalid. I mean, yeah, honestly, it's pretty invalidated, to be honest. We inverted the entire PD array, but we'll leave the stop here where it is. We did put in an SMT, so. But yeah, looks like we might have just been wrong, but we'll see. Time is key, yeah, time is key. We're going to form a 3-minute bearish fair value gap here. Probably put my stop loss here. So we reduced our stop a little bit because now that we put in the SMT, right, we have a 3-minute bearish fair value gap. Another SMT there. Yeah, we're out.
Order filled.
All right. I'm hoping it's going to hit my original stop loss, which was here. If it doesn't, I'd actually be quite upset because that was my original stop. Let's see. Did I just make a mistake by moving my stop? So, yep, minus 200, which is what was expected. Low probability day, plus puts money. Let's see what happens. See what happens. To be honest, I still think it can go higher, but maybe not. Maybe not, actually. We'll see. We shall see. Let's wait. I want to see it hit this red line to know that I didn't make a mistake. Paid zero respect to any of my rules. I felt the guilt when I removed that stop loss. I'm sorry, bro. Induced. I mean, that was a really small move for an inducement. You made a mistake. It's going up. I think it'll still go lower. Price scale the higher time frame for D plus bear close range engineer liquidity. The 4-hour? I mean, we're looking for longs from the 4-hour. Moody says price scaled higher time frame fair value gap plus bear close range. Yeah, we have a lot of engineered liquidity. We do have a lot of engineered liquidity here. ES did run the majority of it, but yeah, we do have engineered lows. We'll see. We shall see. Thoughts on Robbie Futures as a mentor? Robbie's goated, bro. He has a lot to teach. How could you go on buy with equal highs? What? What? What do you mean? How could you go on and buy? You're in shorts. Good luck, Eli. I'm still in these longs. It'll probably touch this 3-minute and then move lower. Would I ever short this 3-minute inside the macro? Would it be a plus? No, I don't think so. I don't think it would be a plus. I want to see it hit the red line just to know that I didn't make a mistake. Yeah, I'm targeting the equal highs. Well, there's no equal highs. I was targeting this buy side here. I thought we were going to flip the 10 a.m. candle. I thought we were going to come above 10 a.m. I was wrong. I thought we would reverse my problem. Was at first being bullish. We had a good protraction model. Protraction model short. Thoughts on Justin Verlin? I like him because he sticks to his model really well. Yeah, the short protraction was really good. Gambling at price action. Wish I didn't trade it. Yeah. Yeah. We definitely got faked out by this displacement here. I have to sneeze. We definitely got faked out by this. I feel miserable because I lost both longs and shorts. That's going to hurt you, bro. That is going to hurt you for sure. For sure. I don't feel too good about the trade I took either. Just trying to review it here. Such a cute. Okay, bless you, brother. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, I don't feel too good about the trade I took either. I mean, I didn't break any rules. That's what matters most. But I've been in long since 1018. That's funny. If those lows were swept, I would have taken the long as well. Yeah, I mean, we had an SMT
We did have an SMT with the lows. What's funny? It's just funny that he's been along since 1018 and he's probably going to be chopped up for quite a while longer. Did you trade? If so, where? I took one trade. We took a loss. We took a loss today. I don't think I'll go for another one. I mean, I'm happy with one loss. I'm long since 1982. 3-minute fair value gap hit. We touched the 3-minute. Yeah, equal highs. NQ probably hit it right. Yeah. We did touch the 3-minute fair value gap there. I didn't short it, but I could understand if somebody did. I tried that long on paper. Very bad price action. Bro longed off the wick. Me? I longed here. 1043. Right? Maybe 1043. Yep, 1043. How many percent do you pay tax on your profit? It depends how much you make. It scales depending on how much you make. Your first 50K is a certain amount. Your first 100K is a second amount. How much were your payouts? 3,000. I love how ICT traders could look at the same chart and all formulate different takes. Like different takes for the same model. Yeah, bro. People talk about psychology, or what I really need to make it better. You will buy again. I probably won't trade again. It's already 10:55 and it's very choppy now. I'm just gonna take my one loss, accept defeat today, and come back another day. You think I should just close along? I mean, do I think you should, or what would I do? I wouldn't do anything that your model doesn't say or your conviction doesn't say. Me personally, are you break even? How did you enter the trade? Probably. I mean, to be honest, I'm still bullish, man. I just don't know if it's gonna happen in this session. I still think we gotta move higher. It might not happen today. I'm still bullish on the week. What was your reasoning for entry? I just popped in. I was expecting a 10 a.m. candle flip. We entered off the 10:30 breaker on ES, SMT on NASDAQ, so we took the trade on NASDAQ. Yeah, my target was the buy side above 10 a.m. because, like I said, I thought the 10 a.m. candle was gonna flip. So look at the 10 a.m. candle. It looks like this. I was expecting it to reverse. You do too. That's why I haven't closed. Is there a world where I take this long? Same idea as before. I don't think I would trade it. To be fair, would it have hit my original stop loss? I don't know. If I put it perfectly at that low. I wouldn't take this. But like, I'm happy with the one loss, I just take the one loss. If it plays out without me, that's what I get for trading December, How long did it take you to watch core content? Brother, I've seen core content 3 times. It looks like it might play out. You held on the same stop loss, you didn't move it, you're still in the long. It looks good. Trade interest will be low-key crazy. Yeah, I mean, that's why we're trading the one account. Maybe for now we'll just trade the eval. Maybe we'll just trade on the eval for now, and put the funded away while we're still up on it. Why did I move the stop loss? Well, we put in another SMT. I already thought the trade was a bad trade, so I tried to save myself like $50. Coming back for PM, I definitely will not be trading PM session any day this week. I already think it's a pretty bad idea to trade AM session. The goal here is primarily to build discipline. I mean, not the worst market, to be honest, but definitely not too clear. But we'll see if we're right. I'll stay here and watch the 1050 macro.
I'll watch the next 13 minutes, see if it does come back above. I wouldn't take this trade, but I mean, you in? No, we're not in. We got stopped out of the long. We got stopped out. And I probably won't re-enter. I just take the one loss, right? We took a loss, just take it, walk away. It's only one. It's only 200. You just gotta accept it sometime. Did you buy? No. You'll see it if I buy. Retest complete. Retest, maybe. Maybe it's a short. It's not clear for me right now. That's why I'm not even. Just close below. We are down. Yes. Good thing I didn't take the trade. Bro, imagine I took this trade. You know how tilted I would be if I took this trade? If I took this trade and lost in like 10 seconds, bro, I would be so mad at myself right now. I would just be like, bro, you know, I feel you. You took that trade. I swear, bro, I almost did it. Yeah, see. You got an Instagram? Yep, I'm GatieTrades on Instagram and pretty much every social media. Yeah, it's not the worst coffee. I don't know. I don't see how we can get a clean move now. 11 a.m. PO3. If white people laugh while people losing money, what's funny about that? I think we all think it's funny. My SL was that high. Oh my god. See, people are both long and short, and they're both somehow still in the trade. You can see both sides. It's falling short of levels. This is your typical December price action. That's okay, Trevor. At least you're still alive, brother. Yeah, I don't know how we can get a trade here. People are long and short, and both are angry. That's funny. Yes. Yes, they are. I'd rather just watch and see what happens. You know, it feels good to be on the sidelines here. Okay, this one doesn't look actually that bad. I wouldn't take it, but I think this might go lower. Wouldn't even consider taking this chop, aka high resistance. Exactly, brother. I was choppy. I'm out for today. Yeah, I'm definitely done for today as well. I won't bother taking another one. Keep going, bro. I mean, I'll be here tomorrow. I won't be. If this inverses, I'm actually baffled. What advice for you, funded account? Definitely make a risk money management plan. Buy now. I'm buying. Should I go out or not? I'm personally still bullish, but it's not gonna be clean in its formation. I still personally think we can go higher, but I'm not gonna trade it. It doesn't need to happen today. This price action sucks. Even if you're bullish, doesn't mean it's gonna play out the way you want it to. You might just get stopped out before, like I did. Right? I got stopped out, but right now we would have been in profit, for example. Another chance? Nah. Another chance to enter a shitty trade. Why is it doing this to me? It's the market. Typical December. Made 259 today so far off a $100 account. Nice, bro. That's really good improvement. That's really good. You have a lot to work with now. Made 100, bro. Today I'll be here tomorrow again. Appreciate you coming back, brother. I would love to see you come back too. Don't enter again. I don't even know if I'm not gonna play. No, I'm definitely not gonna enter. If you're asking me, I'm done. I'm happy with one loss. I can walk away with one loss, and it won't affect me whatsoever. You know. You don't stop on these. You don't stop on these days. Price action. I'm entering trust. You guys are funny, bro. What's up, Zach? How are you, brother? Yeah, bro. The fucking rejected orders. That fucking shit, man. That's so shit. That's so sad, bro. Take care, Trevor. Yep, I'll probably make breakfast soon. I do want to see here if my bias plays out. How do you get order field sound on TradingView? It wasn't TradingView. I was trading on a second account. Sorry, let me check my Euro trade real quick. All right, we're good. Yeah, then you got fucked. Not enough, fam. I'm trying to hit home runs. Are you trading tomorrow, bank holiday? I'll be live. I probably won't find a trade, so we'll be live though. We'll see what happens. We'll see if something A plus forms. If we think we're gonna hire, so we think weekly period 3 days. I'm weekly opening price. Exactly. That's exactly why I said in my Discord, the bullish profile, the bullish weekly PO3 will be confirmed. Sorry, the bullish buy for the week will be confirmed with the weekly power of 3. In my opinion, I mean, yeah, previous day high is a start. In my opinion, we can get up probably even higher. Yeah, playing out now, maybe. 10 a.m. is what I'm looking at. Maybe our bias was right here. So my stop loss needs to cover the breaker. So my stop loss on ES in that trade I took, 1033, it needs to cover the breaker. Yeah, I would have been stopped out, but I took it on ES. So maybe this should cover 1031. So hypothetically, obviously this is hypothetical because I moved my stop loss. But hypothetically speaking, if I did everything perfectly and I followed every single little aspect of my trading model, stop loss would cover the breaker. It would need to go there. I mean, you could argue this low. What's a breaker? Breaker block? It's just a PD array that you expect to support price pretty much in the right context. Are you trading tomorrow? I'll be live. I don't know if I'll take a trade. You only mistake will move your stop loss. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it might play out the way we expected it to. Two bullish inverse candles. That's cool, Toxic. What time? Yep, it's okay, bro. I mean, it's not the best price action anyways, you know? It wasn't the best trade. I don't want to be a trade where it takes 23 minutes to make a move. I expected the move to happen here. I don't have anything personal, no. Just GatieTrades. I'll reply there. So I don't feel like I missed anything. If anything, I'd probably just break even and let this go at this point, even if I was in the trade. Just because I'm not expecting too much clean delivery. I will be live tomorrow. If I get an A+ setup, I'll take it. Maybe only on the eval though. Maybe we'll put the funded aside for now and just trade this eval. Stop that break even. No, I got stopped in stop loss. See you tomorrow, Sarvan. Wrong stop loss. Yeah, I had the wrong stop loss for that trade. I mean, I was trying to reduce my risk. But technically your stop loss needs to be here, right? On the breaker. High, low. Sorry. On ES. This is the mitigation block. But on ES, it's the breaker block. So if that's the PD array, it literally says, why not put the stop below the fair value gap? I mean, right here. It needs to cover the breaker. I mean, that's how I do it. You got stopped, I'm still in. Good luck, brother. I hope it plays out for you. I hope it plays out for you. Also, I guess the stop loss at the 3-minute order block. Right there. Is that the same as the breaker? Let's just see if we would have hit 2R if I did everything perfectly. Oh yeah, that's where it would be. This. And I guess you could get away with like the body low. The body low of the 3-minute OB. 2R would be right here. I guess we can just watch it and see hypothetically if we did everything correctly. I'll definitely put that in my journal though. Love how you explain everything. Appreciate you, bro. It was not easy trading day. Definitely not easy. Definitely not easy, right? Easy to make a mistake like I did, right? We moved our stop up. It's easy to make a mistake. Makes you feel like the stop loss is safe, but really it's just continuing to consolidate. So yeah. How do you trade with TradingView when you're funded? You can just you can connect your trading account here. While you have 1030 marked, open marked. I use it as a PO3. One trade today. Eli, how did it play for you, Eli? Is there any affordable funded forex accounts for $50? Brother, there's one for less than 50, funded by traders. If you use my code, you can get a 5 account. I think it's like $25. That's what I use. This is my forex account. It's almost passed. It's almost passed, and we just need 500 more. That's what I use. Like $29, I think, with the code. No, I don't have any top step codes. I actually reached out to them, man, because I was like, listen, you guys are my favorite, bro. Like, I don't want no Apex code. Like, I just want the top step, you know? And they were like, nah, we don't be giving out codes like that. To be honest, yeah, it's only $50, so what are you using it? For Forex, I use funded by traders. For futures, I use Top Step, Apex, my funded futures. I use all three. I use all three of them. For futures, I don't have any codes. Unfortunately, you trade connect or something. I want to know. Well, you just do this, brother. So go down, click trading panel, all brokers, and then just sign in with the broker that you're using. Every PO3 has a retracement. What? Nope, I never said that. Are you gonna trade? No, just tape reading the fact that we got stopped out here. So I got stopped out like it was like here or something. Oh no, I trailed my stop to this low. I'm just showing if I put correct stop loss placement, would it have played out? Yeah, you could. You could. I'm not going to, but you could. Do top step do referrals? I don't know. G from BlackRock here. Thanks for the liquidity. Okay, buddy. That's funny. It's slowly going up. There's a lot of resistance. It's just gonna be slow, but I think it'll go up. We'll see. It could easily just stop here, go back down, go back up later. Doesn't need to be a clean move up, I guess. Just a characteristic of the day. Have you gotten impaled on Apex? No, only top step. I've only got impaled on top step. It's my main one. Why'd you enter way up there? Fair value gap entry. I heard they were shady. If you follow the rules, they'll pay you out, brother. It's just they have shitty rules sometimes. Compared to the other ones, they have a little bit more rules. But they'll pay you out. You know, ICT paid a fine in court. Nope, didn't know that, brother. What account size did you get a payout on? I got in payouts on 100K and 250Ks. The reason people lose their accounts because they fail to pay their monthly membership fees. What stock are we looking at here? This is NASDAQ futures. Why don't you wait to see how it reacts inside the fair value gap? It's too slow for me. I don't like to wait for the reaction. I like to predict it. Here the same entry, not eventually stop a little bit. Yep, my stop loss should have been here. In my rules, it says my stop loss should be here. Would you re-enter? Nah. I'm just gonna take my L. I don't think mentally I can handle another loss today. You know? I can lose. I lost one. I feel like I can walk away, make breakfast, watch a movie. I don't feel bad. I didn't break any rules. I mean, we did technically break this rule about stop loss placement, but that was a mistake. I wouldn't say I broke a rule. But if I take another trade and lose, I know that's gonna affect me mentally, you know? I know myself. I'm gonna feel like shit if I take another one and lose. So I'm just gonna walk away with the L, come back tomorrow, clear head, and move from there. The SL wasn't bad, you're right. The stop loss wasn't bad, but on a day like this, especially, the stop loss should be at that breaker low. It should cover the 3-minute order block. My rules, what are your rules? My rules say on any fair value gap entry, the stop loss needs to cover any breaker or order block. In which case it did not do that. It did not do that, right? The order block is here on ES. That's what I took the trade on, the breaker block. So it would need to be here at a minimum. Here. But like I said, you can use the 3-minute order block here and just use the body. It shouldn't trade to the body. That's what my rules say. Down again, pick a direction. I mean, there's a 5-minute fair value gap here. Five-minute fair value gap there. It's holiday week, now we're getting another trade. It's also holiday week, yeah. So, I mean, it's gonna be like this all week, guys. So just prepare yourself. You know, don't risk anything you're not willing to lose. Can I be a trader just by reading the book in your Discord? It's probably gonna take more than that, brother. I wish it was that easy though. It'll help though. It'll definitely help you on your journey. Nice. How was it when they say 2% of your account, 2% of the trade? I don't know what 2% of the trade means. They mean 2% of your account, brother. 2% of your account. Bruh. I want to see if this plays out, but I'm also hungry and want to make breakfast. Sold my trade, dude. What sold your trade? Walk away? No, I mean, I definitely won't take a trade. I want to see if I was right or wrong. You're my op? Are you winning, son? We took one loss today. Didn't take anything else. We took a win on Forex. I guess that's good. I took one winning trade on Euro USD overnight. Closed it this morning. PA was mid. Yeah, it was mid. It wasn't too bad. The best trade was the protraction model short. Tap the breaker. Inversion. Yeah. I should have seen this short. One of my students saw it though. It's really good for him. Proud of you, Insta, if you're watching this. I'm gonna give myself an L on the bias today. I should have primarily looked for shorts today, I think. Good shit, cocky, bro. I love the grind, bro. Respect it. I respect that grind big time. I respect it, bro. You can say whatever you want, bro. And take that. What would be the reasons for shorts? Targeting the 4-hour imbalance on NQ. Wait, am I tripping? Oh, sorry, yeah. So targeting this 4-hour fair value gap. Right. Someone just called me. Targeting this 4-hour fair value gap. Swept the buy side. It aligned with the PO3. What is that? What is that thing up there? That would have been the reason for the short. You could even trust this long, maybe here. Continuation idea. It's so premium. I'm not taking these trades. I'm just watching. Also, if you're bullish on the week, usually you'll see early in the week go down. So I should have kept that in mind too. Mark 21,900 and see if it gets hit today. No, I don't think that's gonna get hit. Was that previous day high? Even higher? That's not getting hit today. I really doubt that getting hit today. Maybe tomorrow. Can you sniff the rose? Yo, this guy's bare roses, bro. What if you... Wait, you said if you're bullish on the week, then what? So if you're bullish on the week, you want to see the low of the week and get put in, right? 'Cause even though you're bullish, we're still going to put a low in the week, right? So where is that low going to be put? Maybe this wick. Maybe previous day low. Maybe this wick. Maybe it's the daily bullish fair value gap. It touches the daily bullish fair value gap here, right? At the end of the day, I mean, we haven't done much on this Monday. It's probably going to look like this when we come back tomorrow. It'll probably just stay like this. I'm not expecting much. Tomorrow, I probably expect something like this, if I'm being honest. But we'll have to just see, I guess. We'll have to just see. For now, it looks like our bias was right. We did come above 10 a.m. We came above New York Open. So 930 PO3 is still in play. The full buy model. I mean, we don't know if it's going to hit, but we'll see. I guess we shall see. I would do 2024 mentorship after 2022. Tuesday, Wednesday, high of week. I'm expecting a bullish PO3. Do you use TikTok Live or Studio? Yep, that's exactly what I use for TikTok. So we'd have to take this up band, bro. I feel you, bro. I got stopped out as well. Right? I got stopped out here. So incorrect stop loss placement by me. How did today go for me? I got stopped out here where I was targeting this high. Well, actually, I was targeting 2 risk to reward, so what was I targeting? Yeah, we probably would have I mean, we'll see if I would have closed. That's 2 risk to reward. I would have probably closed it at 2 risk to reward. I mean, maybe we'll leave it for the high. Let's just say we aim for the high. I mean, I would expect it to be taken. So this was the original trade I wanted, but we got stopped out right there. So, I mean, I don't feel too bad about it. You didn't take shorts at 950 targeting 4-hour FG. Nope, that was a really good short though. Looking back, that's probably the best short of the day. 930 goes up, time distortion to 950, dump, retracement into the macro, inversion fair value gap. That's your entry model. Pretty beautiful stuff right there. It didn't give the best entry though. Yeah, I don't think I would have been filled on that short. I don't know how I would have gotten in. Probably would not have gotten in. I don't know where I would have been filled. No fair value gap. Someone did say the 4-minute fair value gap. I remember that 4-minute. Daily power of 3? Well, it depends. Is your daily power of 3 looking for a long? Do you think we're getting to London highs? Because if we're getting to London highs, you would have to use this leg. I took one losing trade. We got stopped out. I mean, looks like it's gonna hit TP, but it depends how you're measuring it. Are you talking about catching this move down? Like, I'm personally bullish, so I mean, I don't think this is gonna happen today. But your daily power of 3, which by the way, this is your weekly power of 3, would look like this. Bias was right. Was it right? I don't know. I guess it was. I did say we're gonna come here. I did say longs from the 4 hour. I said we're gonna come to the 4 hour, look for longs from there. It didn't present that clearly, but I guess the bias was correct. We did come above 10 a.m. Just difficult to navigate through this price action, but we were correct. Yeah, I guess we were correct. We flipped the 4 hour. Like, that's what I was expecting, right? We did flip the 4 hour. Daily candles, 265 points. I would view this as your order block. I mean, it's still a consolidation day. But anyways, let's put this in the journal, in the Discord. Yep, I got a Discord. I got a pretty large Discord if you want to come through. It's free, of course. It did take a while. Yeah, the timing didn't align too nicely. But I will show, as always. Show the executions. You're famous or something? I don't know about famous. I got like 200-300 people watching me usually when I go live. I don't know. I'm just here to go live. So it's a trade idea. Oh no. Save that so I don't lose it. I guess we can wait and see. We'll just take the picture and journal it now. Oh, cool. Why'd you get stopped? This is bad stop loss placement. I should have put it a little bit lower. I was trying to be like perfect with it, but realistically, it should have covered the breaker block that I entered off of, which it did not in this case. So we got stopped out. It's a mistake on my part. So I'm just posting it in the Discord. Just gotta put the right stop loss next time. That's okay. We did good. We did good today. This is who's willing to hold through this chop. I mean, I don't mind holding trades. I don't have a problem holding. I mean, obviously it's not ideal, but I mean, I'm expecting this. You know, I'm expecting this. I would have put my projections like this. 1030 PO3. That's the one that I traded. Right. We traded the 1030 breaker, like I said. Wait for 1030. Wait for the breaker. Go long. We did that. Just bad stop loss. If I'm bearish, I mean, I'm expecting this. Realistically, I'll probably expect all these highs to get taken, but yeah, it is what it is. It probably won't act right for a while, Cole, but it might be like this until January. Old white guy still says 21.9. Maybe 21.9. Possible. It's definitely possible. I don't think so today, though. I'm on the 1 minute. Yep, I know. I went at 8, came back. What's up, Trevor? I'm probably gonna go make breakfast now. It ended up playing out, Trevor, unfortunately. So maybe it was just bad. I mean, it was bad stop loss placement, but it's also bad market conditions. So it's also bad market conditions. Right? This is your OB. It sucks. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it does. It does. You got cooked. I mean, I took one loss. Had the right bias. It's kind of what you get for trading December last week, you know? How many M's are you up, bro? Like 25 M's, bro. I have an M for each M. All right, well, we're probably going to call it quits here, guys. I'm going to go make some breakfast. What was your trade? I took a breaker block that formed on ES right here. 1030 power of 3. I entered on the fair value gap. Stop loss, I put it here. However, it should have been at the breaker block low, as my rules say. So the stop loss should have been, where is it? Here. Should have been here, as my rules say. And the entry was there. I entered on the fair value gap. If your stop is a little lower. Yep, I ended up getting stopped out like right here, I think, right? Or was it here? I got stopped out here. Do I think this go all-time highs? I'm not going to the gym today. Honestly, Trevor, I'm probably going to pick it up back in January because I'm lazy. And also, I have a lot of stuff planned like I need to do. So it's just going to be easier to find time starting forward. I don't want to go to the gym. I want to be consistent as possible. So I don't want to go like today. Well, today I'm busy, but I don't want to go today and then the next day not go, and then the day after that go. I want to go for like 5 days straight. So I think I'm just gonna wait till January, let all the Christmas stuff pass through, and then start from there. Back to the low. Let's see. Typical, yeah, typical. Relative equal highs left. How long are you gonna be live? I'm probably gonna end it right here. I probably expect higher from this 50-minute fair value gap, but for now, gym takes 1 hour. No, you're right. I can go today, but tomorrow I can't go, and the day after that I can't go. So that just makes me feel like, why should I go today? Obviously, that's not the right mindset. You should just go every day you can. But I mean, I'm hoping to be consistent again. After this, it's a crazy week, you know. It's just a crazy week. So, how do you know which pair to trade? The one you want to, bro. You're walking like an old man, bro. Legs is tough, yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm probably gonna Probably gonna head out here, go make some breakfast. I appreciate everyone coming through. I will be live here tomorrow, exact same time, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Appreciate everyone coming through. Yeah, if you have any questions, ask me in the Discord. Till next time. Peace.